slam in the back of my Dragula. Through the ditches and burn, through the witches and slam in the back of my Dragula.